We're going to make some renovations. Let's talk about the ones that you want to make that should probably be the ones that you would make for the most improvement in the value of your home. There's a 2023 cost versus value report that's out. And if you ever want to send me an email to get more information on this, Bob at WeSellLouisville.com, and then just put cost versus value report in the email. So the number one thing that you can replace, and this actually has come up before, is a garage door. The cost to replace the average garage door, and I believe they're talking about a two-car garage, $4,302. If you resell, you'll get $4,418 back. You recoup 102% on 102.7% on the garage door when you resell. And again, remember, this is a cost versus value by the home remodelers industry, so they have a vested interest in this. Things like entry door replacement, you'll get back 100%. Manufactured stone veneer, if you put on your home, you'll get 102%. Siding replacement vinyl, you'll only get back 94% of what you've spent. Minor kitchen remodel, the cost may be 20 to 30,000. You'll only get back 85%. Window replacement, vinyl windows recoup 68%, bathroom model 66%, window replacement wood, window replacement 61%, and a roof replacement 61%. But there are providers that go along with this, and I'd love to talk to you about it. So feel free to give me a call, and we can talk more about that down the road.